Hey guys, this is Killas here. I'm just asking a question here. I am getting really frustrated. I have Call of Duty Ghost right here. It's very clean. I'm pretty sure you can't see it with the reflection here, but it's clean. I just barely bought it about an hour ago, just installed it again. This is my second copy. So I put it in here. It's reading it. It just reads, and then it launches, and then it goes right to this screen, and then it goes to a blank screen right here. It just goes blank. As you can see, screen has gone blank. And then if I grab my controller here, I go home, Call of Duty Ghost does not want to work. I have already tried uninstalling it, restarting my Xbox, buying a new disc. It's not the disc. I have no idea. It'd be cool if you guys could leave some comments below telling me what I can do to fix this problem here. Be very helpful. Till next time, bye.